Howdy ladies and gentlemen, today's video will be covering 5 terrifying animals that once walked the earth. Please enjoy. Number 1. Snakes. Plenty of people are scared of these slithery, slimy little creatures. However, what if I told you that this gigantic snake once roamed the earth? Just after the dinosaurs went extinct about 60 million years ago, a massive snake called the Titanoboa took their place as the biggest, baddest predator on earth. They were 50 feet long, weighed 2,500 pounds, and killed their prey via constriction. Now that's quite spooky. Number 2. Some people could be snake enthusiasts, but I think we could all come to the consensus that rats are really gross. These often disease-ridden mammals present themselves as unlikable to many, if not all, people. However, this is only the tip of the iceberg for rats. Behold, the nicknamed Ratzia. Fossil records suggest that they were 10 feet long, with another 5 feet of tail. While the Ratzia was herbivorous, these tremendous rodents would have foot-long incisors. Imagine what a bite would look like from that. Number 3. Piranhas the size of boogie boards. These piranhas were so huge, in fact, that scientists formally dubbed their species the Megapiranha. They lived 10 million years ago, were at least 3 feet long, and had 2 rows of teeth. It's a wonder why any sea creature survived back then. Number 4. This one's a bit more recent. The lack of competition in landlocked spots can lead to some species to develop what's known as island gigantism. That's what happened to the Huss eagle, a 30-pound raptor relative that terrorized the South Island of New Zealand. Around the year 1400, local legends say that this eagle was known to swoop down and grab children to snack on. This Megaeagle eventually died out, but still lives on in our nightmares. Number 5. The Megacrocodile that regularly fought T-Rexes and won. The Latin name literally translates to terrible crocodile, and these creatures lived up to the name. Fossils from T-Rexes and other dangerous dinosaurs show teeth marks from these things. That means that ancient crocs regularly did battle with the king of dinosaurs themselves. These megacrocodiles grew up to 35 feet long and was found in North America, in the same places that modern-day humans flip out over crocodiles 1/4 that size. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please put what you think the scariest animal is in the comments below. I do read comments, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye.